Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the GP or GoPro edition. Today we're going to look at my lawnmower. We're going to actually mostly talk about the packing and unpacking of this lawnmower and the story behind it. It's actually very interesting. So I'm mowing the yard a couple weeks ago. Hear this boom, and a small piece of metal shot off. This is where it started. And then another loud crack, and this sucker completely disintegrated. You see the wiring rusted right through. It's only hanging by a piece. Like I said, if this thing would have came off, would have really sucked. So here's what happened. I talked to the guys and go through the process, but in the long end they end up shipping a new one. So while we look at this one and pack up the old one, I'm going to talk about what happened with the old one, and then I'll give you a good review of this one here, putting this one together. So this is what's called the tool edition. There's nothing in here but the actual lawnmower and nothing else. Let's see if this is the same model. This looks like this is the upgraded version. Definitely got a different bag. Let's see what we got here. Today Rudy gets to disassemble the old one and put it back in a box. Okay, so .21-inch ADV Max. This appears to be the same model. So we're just going to tilt the box forward and roll this thing out. There's some stuff on the bottom here. Oh yes, that would be our blade. And we'll look at packing up the other one as well. Okay. This model, the replacement, is only a tool, so they do not ship with charger or anything else. You have to recycle kind of what you have. While we're thinking about that, let's go ahead and take the battery out of this one here. To be honest with you, what I thought was going to be the issue was I thought I'd be buying a new battery, perhaps even a new motor. I thought of blowing out from rust. Never really occurred to me, even though we are here in Florida. Assembly seems to be pretty easy here. I also noticed that there's absolutely no instructions manual either, which is very strange. Okay, we're going to pop out this one too. Oh, I was wrong. Instruction manual right here. Okay, now I put this thing together. Kobalt agreed to replace the unit, but once it's replaced, that's the end of the warranty. There is no other warranty for this unit. That's interesting. Okay. See if this thing is able to be lifted back, or if there's something blocking it. Oh, okay. So it's got a locking mechanism right here. Go ahead and lock that back in place to the desired position. I'm going to go with number 1 here. And that's the only thing that doesn't make much sense here on how to put that in. There it goes. Okay, hopefully they're not still in here. Okay, cool. Yep. To get this thing out completely. There we go. Looks like they simplified the operation of this thing. And stretch it out here, lock it in place. Yeah, it's facing correctly. Alright, now we're gonna put the other piece back on here. The cable is locked in here. Keep it from walking away. There's nothing on this side here. Now we will turn it over here to see how we mount the blade on here. Oops. Oh, well, that's very nice. So it looks like they got rid of the big nut that's on this side here. You can see it. And replaced it with a smaller metal one. And they also equipped the unit with a spare blade, which I have to say, that's pretty awesome. So blade is in here. You'll see the mower deck has considerable differences in here too. A rustical model here. This thing's completely bending and falling apart here. But the bottom of the thing looks normal. Looks like they made it a little bit easier. Hopefully different metal that gets this thing in here. So we will attach the, let's go ahead and attach the grass flipper thing here. That's actually pretty easy. All you do is lift up here, lock it in place like so, and you're going sideways. Bag, on the other hand, pretty good design here too. Lift up here, and also very important, pull this out if you want to not mulch. Okay, battery goes in from the back. This must be a safety key. Yeah. So let's see what we get here. 80 volt max 2.0. Doesn't feel as cheap on that one. Oop. Alright. do side-by-side comparisons here. I have my sector on the Lowes as well, so I think we're supposed to where we're supposed to be. All right, here goes nothing. Power on. Safety cutoff switch. So here are the two Kobalt side by side, the old one and the new one. So that kind of completes my video for this one. I'll talk about more when we put this thing, pack it all up, on what happened with the old one. But I'm very happy that Kobalt actually chose to do the right thing and replace this lawnmower for me. 5 or 6 year old lawnmower shouldn't look like this. I mean, look at all the different corrosion here. It's pretty crazy. And my lawnmower is stored in a shed out of the elements, so not sure what happened here. Anyway guys, if you have any questions or issues, I'd like to hear your Kobalt story. And do you guys use electric lawnmowers or gas? Write your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, take care.